Hello my dear students. You have already studied 3-digit numbers and also the place and the place value of 3-digit numbers. Today we will be moving ahead and studying the expansion of 3-digit numbers. Now what is meant by expansion? Well, expansion means making it big. How can you make a number big? Let us see. First of all, let us take a number. Now here you can see I have placed a number 768. Now let us see the place cards which are kept on the number. 7 is in hundreds place, 6 is in tens place, and 8 is in units place. Now when we make the expanded form of this number, we are actually going to write the place value of each of the digits. That means 7 in hundreds place will be 700. Then 6 in tens place will be 6 tens would be 60, right? And 8 is a unit, single digit number 8 will come after the tens. 768. We are actually arranging the numbers according to the place value when we make the expanded form of the number. Let's try another example. Okay, moving on to our next example. Here you can see I have got a number in place. Let's read it together. 452. As you can see, the place cards are kept along. So 4 is in hundreds place, 5 is in tens place, and 2 is in units place. Now let's try the expanded form by actually arranging the numbers according to their place value. So 4 in hundreds place would be 400. Then 5 in tens place would be 50. And 2 in the units place. As you know, the number in the units place is always a single digit number. So 2 in the units place. 452. 452. Got it? Moving on to the next example. Here you can see I have a number 173 before you. Again, let's check out the place of these numbers. 1 in hundreds place, 7 in tens place, and 3 in units place. So here, according to the place value, I will be putting the expanded form. I'll be making the expanded form of these numbers. So 1 in hundreds place will have 1, and 100 has got 2 zeros. So after the number, I keep 2 zeros, 100. Then 7 tens. 7 tens are 70. And lastly, single number 3 in units place. So here we have 3. Let's check out our number. 173. 173 Got it? Here we have the next example in front of you. I have 618. That is 6 hundredths, 1 tenths, and 8 units. Now let's make the expanded form of these numbers. 600, 6 in hundreds place, so 600. Now the place value of 1 is actually 10 because it is in the tens place. So 110 and 8 is the unit. 8 in units place. 618. 10 and 8 is 18. So 618. Here we have 618. Okay. Now let's move on to the next example. Here I have already placed the number card in front of you. 504. 5 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place, and 4 in units place. 500. So let's keep 500. Now you can see there is a 0 in tens place. That means there is no number in tens place. So we need not write anything. We need not keep anything there. Let's move on to the next digit. Here we have 4. That is a single digit number. 504. Check this out. 504. Okay. Now we have the next example here in front of you. Let's read the number. 920. 9 in hundreds place, 2 in tens place, 0 in the units place. Now like I said before, whenever 0 is in any place, we need not write anything in that place when we write the expanded form. So here we have 900. Here I keep 900. 2 tens. So 2 tens. I leave it at that because my units place has got 0. So I need not write anything. I leave it at that. Now children, supposing it is the other way round. Suppose it is the expanded form that is given to you. How will you form the number? Now you can see here we have 100 and 60 and 4. 164. That is the number that we need. 1 in hundreds place, 6 in tens place, and 4 in units place. So what do we do now? As is our usual practice, when we write numbers, first we need to keep the places. We need to have the places in order. So we have hundreds, tens, units. After this, keeping the numbers become very easy because now I have to keep 1 in hundreds place, 6 in tens place, and 4 in units place. So here is my number. 164 is the same as you see what you see here now. Let's try another example now. Here you can see 370 and 2. 3 in hundreds place, 70 and 2. Now what I need, I have already got my place cards in order. So now I just need to arrange 3 in hundreds place, 7 in tens place, and 2 in units place. So here we are, 372. As you can see, I have another number lined up in expanded form for you, 420 and 5. I know you have got it by now. You will have 4 in hundreds place, 2 in tens place and 5 in units place. Let's check out the number 425. Here we have another example for you. 203. There is no tens place here. You can see 2 is in hundreds place, 3 is in units place. Tens place is not mentioned. So what we will do is, we will write 2 in hundreds place, 3 in units place because it is a single digit number. In tens place, because there is nothing, we will be putting a 0. So we have 203. I hope you got it right now. Let's try out our last example for the day. Here you have 970. That is, 9 is in hundreds place, 7 is tens. As you can see, there are no units mentioned here. So what will you do? Yes, you will be writing a 0 in units place because there are no units. As when you write the places beforehand, it becomes very easy for you to write the answers. So let's have 9 in hundreds place, 7 in tens place and 0 in units place. The number is 970. I'm sure you are all getting it right now. Children, you have studied the expansion of 3-digit numbers today, and I'm sure you will be able to do an excellent job of the exercise that is given after this. Good luck.